back to my channel, Sharp Designs by Lakeisha, where I am designing my way through life. I'm in my office and I'm actually editing footage that I've already did for you guys for today's vlog as far as setting up the Boxwood Hedge backdrop. And then I realized that I never included the footage that I did of us delivering the rose gold tile backdrop with the balloon garland. I actually did record that, so I'm going to insert that at the beginning of this vlog, and then we're going to fast forward to today's vlog and I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to set that up as well. Right, Coda? Right? And yes, my baby do got on her bonnet. I washed her hair and twisted it up. My natural girls out there know what that natural life be like when you walking around looking like Celie. So I got her bonnet on her head. But see you guys soon. Bye. So we have arrived to the venue for, alright, so I just finished resetting up the backdrop. The dessert table isn't up yet, so I'll show you guys that later, but this is what it looks like. Same as the last vlog, and if you did not watch this vlog, you need to be sure to check that out to see how to get this amazing rose gold backdrop with balloon garland. And these, my templates are all cut out and ready to be put together. These are what I'm going to be using for the centers on my flowers, and these are the leaves that I'm going to be using. I ordered them off of Etsy. You can just like search flower centers and different companies that sell them a pop-up. If you have a Cricut, you, like I actually do, I just don't know how to use it, you can actually do this yourself, but since I haven't learned how to use my Cricut yet, I did have to result in ordering them. But I did want to show you guys since I'm zipping through the paper flower portion of this video. Alright guys, so these are my paper flowers. They are almost done. All I have to do now is put the centers on them. If you have not watched my previous paper flower tutorial video, check that out. I have two up. One was the very first video that I did on YouTube, and the second one I did about 5 videos ago. So definitely check that out to see how I put these together. And I made the templates myself, so I didn't order those from anywhere. Hey guys, so I am back, and as you can see, I have my Boxwood Hedge spread out. It is 8 by 8. I will link the Boxwood Hedge in the description box below for you guys to check out. I also have my wood sign that will be going on this backdrop. I got this from the wood shop guy, and I will link his Instagram page for you guys. You can DM him if you have any questions about pricing or if you are interested in ordering your own. I also have my leaves I'm going to be using, as well as my paper flowers that I made with you guys on the other day. And there goes Dakota. So what I'm about to do is organize my flowers over here in the corner. She sent me a picture of how she wants this backdrop to look. And this is how I have decided to lay my flowers out. Here's a better view from the balcony up here. So I was planning on using my foam board right there to just attach the flowers to that and then put them on the Boxwood Hedge. But I have decided that I'm going to actually make hooks for the flowers to hang them on there. because it's gonna, if I do it on the foam board, you'll be able to see some of the foam board. It'll definitely take away from the look of the flowers against the boxwood hedge, and that's not what I want. So what I'm gonna be using is floral wire, and I'm gonna be cutting it with some wire cutters, and I'm gonna bend it so that it hooks directly into the boxwood hedge, and it'll be easy to apply as well as remove when it's time to go. Alright guys, so I'm about to start making the hooks for my paper flowers, and I have my wire cutters. I have my wire out of the pack that I showed you guys earlier, and then to secure the little hook that I'm gonna make, I'm gonna be using my Gorilla Tape. I showed you guys this when I made the number 2. Alright guys, so I have the wire. This is a single piece, so what I'm gonna do is fold it in half again. And then I'm gonna push it together, and then I'm gonna loop it around to make like a hook that can make sure it's long enough so that it can definitely get in through the boxwood hedge and through the grapes that are in the back of it. This is what the hook looks like once I bend it in half. Mommy, it has a slight loop. Baby girl, hold on, mama. It has a loop, and it's nice, and make sure that it is long enough. This one is about 2 inches across this way to make sure that it can go through the hedge and loop along around the back strong enough in order to secure properly. And then I'll just hang it just like you're hanging something from a wall. And then this straight piece, I'm gonna lay it on the back of the paper flower, making sure that my loop is facing forward. And then I'm gonna take a piece of my Gorilla Tape, and I'm gonna secure the hook to the paper flower, like so.
Mama, yeah.
I have about 14 more of these to do, so I'm gonna knock those out, and then we're gonna hang them, and I can show you guys how that works out. And then, as I said, we'll be getting this stuff loaded and delivered on tomorrow. So stay tuned to see how we're doing that. Should be tons of fun. Alright guys, so I just wrapped up getting all the hooks on the flowers, and this is what they are looking like pretty much. The larger flowers, I ended up keeping the hooks in the whole size they were in and folding them in half and creating that hook that I showed you guys a little earlier. But I have all of them done. I have some up here too that are finished, so we're gonna start hanging them up on the boxwood hedge. So I just finished hanging my boxwood hedge, as you guys saw. If you need to see a full tutorial on that, you can go back and check out Dakota's birthday vlog where I did the tutorial. It had like a custom signed boxwood hedge and balloon garland. I did it all in one, show you step by step how to hang it. So fast forward to today. I'm gonna start hanging my paper flowers, how I had them laid out on the floor. Hopefully I can get it exactly like that. And I always like to do a run through before the day of my event just to make sure my equipment is fine. I'm not gonna have any issues that I could possibly be aware of the day before. So that's why I'm doing all this stuff. I always like to pre-set up everything just to make sure everything's gonna go okay. So yeah, we're gonna start hanging up the paper flowers. I'm starting off with the biggest flower that will be going up in the corner at the top. Make sure you guys, it's good enough so you guys can see that. There we go. It's gonna be going at the top corner, and I showed you guys the hooks, but just in case you're wondering, this is the bigger one. I ended up using a full piece of the wire. I used 2, twist them together, and created this hook. This is my flower here, and it's perfect because the boxwood hedge is still visible. I don't have to worry about the foam board showing, and that is the hook right here, and it just kind of hooks through and goes through the grapes in the back. We'll go ahead and hang the rest of them up. Alright guys, so I just wrapped up attaching the paper flowers with the hooks. It worked out pretty good, but this is how it looks so far. So what I'm going to do now is add the leaves to the flowers. I'm just going to dab a bit of hot glue on the leaves and then hook them onto the flowers that they're going to be next to for the backdrop. Leaves are on. Hey guys, so I am back. Hopefully the lighting is okay. It's getting kind of dark outside. Looks like it's about to storm. But the next thing I'm going to do is hang my sign, and I showed it to you guys earlier. It basically says Miss to Mrs. And I got this from the woodshop guy. I will have his Instagram page linked down below. You can DM him for any questions about pricing or anything. He also even spray painted it gold for me, so that was one less thing that I had to worry about doing. You just let him know what color you want and he'll hook you up. And so what I'm gonna do now is attach this to my backdrop using fishing line, which is perfect because it's clear and you will not be able to see. And I'm going to attach it going through the different locations that have holes in it. So like, for example, for the misses, I'm gonna put a piece of fishing line through here and knot it to the boxwood hedge. And I'm also gonna put a piece through here and knot that through the boxwood hedge. So it'll be hanging like this, perfect and symmetrical on the boxwood hedge. Hey guys, so I just finished attaching my sign to the boxwood hedge using the fishing line, and I even left the fishing line excess on there so that you guys would be able to see how I did it. You can see here, maybe you can, maybe you can't. It's actually super clear, so you can't necessarily see the line once I cut the excess off. All right guys, so now that I have my sign on my boxwood hedge, what I'm gonna do now is take everything down and get it prepared to get loaded tomorrow, and I'll show you guys how I deliver my boxwood hedge, since this is the only thing that I have set up for tomorrow, which is a Sunday. I'll show you guys how I do that, so we'll see you in the morning. Good morning guys. So this is how I'm traveling with my boxwood hedge this morning. Have my plates, my poles, my signs. It's going straight through here, past the lovely Dakota. Say good morning. No good morning. And up to the front where we are. Good morning guys, welcome back. So we are en route to deliver, and as you can see, I have my boxwood hedge in tow. Babe is coming along to help me set this up, and Dakota is back here. She is also coming along for the ride. This is too early for her, but just wanted to show you guys, as I said, I will show you guys how I travel with my boxwood hedge. My back seat actually lets down back there, so I just slide it on through. Since this is the only thing I have to set up today, I did not need to rent a truck or anything, which is perfect. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, share to your partner now. Have a good day. See you guys next time. Bye. Use the left 2 lanes.